You got a ghost.
He.
I think, Folk, is that a ghost? All right. So after we're going to do a little bit of math, we'll wait for people to join. Hi, Anjay. Folk, that's a ghost, right?
Those ghosts.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you make it?
I have a siren head.
You guys have ghosts. Did you make those for Thai class?
Yes, it's like siren head.
Oh, a lot of people made ghosts.
Good afternoon.
Good. Hello. Excuse me. Hi, Ryu. How are you? Look, you got a ghost too. So you guys made those in in Thai class. Nice. They look not too difficult to make. Nice. All right. So we'll wait for a few more. We've only got 11 people before I start with go over some math pages with you.
What?
Excuse me. Got a dry throat again.
Oh, it's right there.
All right. We're doing math after this. You have a math mini test. You have 2 mini tests today. I hope everybody was okay with the English. All right. And now we'll be doing some math. I have 13. We'll wait for a few more before we start. So all of you you don't need your math books. You can if you want, but I kind of jumped around with this. All right. So we'll wait for a few more. We have 13 people. Nice. I like the ghosts. Let's see yours, Pooh. You got yours in blue. Folks is white. I saw Eva's, I think. All right, now we're getting everybody. There we go.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hello, Nate. How are you?
Yuki.
And that's Theater. Hi, Theater. Hi, Theater.
Hi.
Hello. Don't be shy. All right, we've got 16. We'll wait for a few more before we start. All right. Good. So math. We'll look at some math pages, but I'll do what I did last time.
Page.
Well, I'm going to show you some stuff. I'll tell you the page, but let me show you some pictures first, because we're going to jump around. We're going to go from our textbook to our workbook. So what I did is I will show you each page, okay? And we'll go through things together and try and figure that out. All right, I'm going to wait for a couple more people because we want to make sure everybody's here before we start. So you guys can relax, you can drink some water, you can drink some milk, you can read a book, you can play with your ghosts. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Calpun, you look like you like your ghost.
oh
Look at him.
it's me.
You did ghost. That's interesting.
It's not ghost. It's marshmallow head.
It's a marshmallow kid?
Head.
Yes, I have a
Really? It's a Oh, I'm sorry. I know in Canada people like ghosts. They dress
I
up
have
as a ghost
to
for Halloween.
have outside now.
Do you? A lot of people dress up as Halloween for Halloween as ghosts.
No,
So easy. You just push
Draw.
over your head.
a doll for
All right. 16. We'll wait for a couple more. 1, 2, 3.
บ้านเรานกยิงเยอะๆอยู่แม่บอกจากตุ๊กตาไล่ฝนมันกลายเป็นตุ๊กตาไล่
I'll
แม่
start when we should have about
แม่
19,
กลัว
I think. And that's T. Hi, T.
Hello, teacher.
How are you doing? How was the English? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Good. There was kind of one tricky question in there. Most of the others things we've talked a lot about. So, all right. So it's a little after 2. We've got about 17 people. Let's 18 now. That is good. Oh, 19 now. Everybody's coming. Yay. Hi, Amata. Hi, Alice. T, is that your little brother or sister?
Brother.
Ah, okay. What's his name?
We.
Louis?
We.
Louis.
We.
Oh,
Only
we.
we.
That's right. We. All right. Okay, so we got enough people to start. So I'm going to start with showing you some of our pages for math, okay? This is stuff we've done. So we're just going to go over it, okay? Oh, we got more people. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to show you the first one. All right. So this is one of the pages we've done. All right. And these are, we've done these before many times. So can anybody tell me,
Workbook.
oops, can anybody tell me what this number is right here?
Hundreds.
How many hundreds?
300.
You're right. There were 300 here. How many tens?
Teacher, what page is it?
500.
That is page 9. That is page 9. It might be easier if you just look here, though. I don't know if you need your book.
50.
Oh, yes,
50.
there's 5 tens. So that makes 50. And how many ones are there?
8.
7.
Right. So what is our number?
8.
So what's our whole number? We have 3 100s, 5 tens, and 8 ones. What do we got?
358.
358.
Good. So there'll be a couple of these. I'll show you more in a moment. This is also kind of what we're doing too. All right. So here we have, who wants to read A for me? Who wants to read A?
562.
Good reading. Excellent reading. So that is how we spell out letters for our words, right? 562. All right. So that's sometimes when we spell out our words. We'll be doing that once. All right. What's B? Who can tell me B?
614.
Yeah, we had a lot of people get that. So we got 640. And
903.
yes.
903.
Oops. There we go. Oops, that's all overlapped. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. There you go. So how do we write these in words? So we got a number 213. What's the first word I have to put? So how do you write out 213? What's my first word?
2.
Yes. Second word?
100.
Yep. 100. 200. I got to put an and in there.
13. And 13.
13.
13.
Yep. So when you type it out, or when you got to figure out what number this is, just say the word, all right? 213. 213.
13.
All right, so I'll show you a few more of that in a moment, but right now let's move on to this. All right, so this, oh, shoot. Oh, wait. There we go. Wait. Okay, phew. Ay. All right. Oh, I should have covered that. There we go. Okay. What number is this?
Number 315.
300, and you're right. Wait, is that 15 or 16? Let's have a look. 110 is a 1,
16.
2, 3,
16.
16. Yeah, you got to be careful when you count. You're right. And this one is
238.
238. Nice. Which one's greater?
200.
So what number is greater, 316 or 238?
360.
Right. If 316 is greater, 238 is what?
Small.
It's smaller. So this one's greater, this one's smaller, okay? Most of the words we'll use are greater and smaller, all right? Good. So we're going to do that. We don't worry about that one up there because we didn't do much. Okay, so here we got our words again. You tell me what number I put in here. Tell me the numerals. What are the digits? What's my first number? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do I put first?
Teacher, what page?
That one is on page 10. Should be of the activity book. So what number do I put down here?
1.
A 1, then a what? 1,
5.
1, 2, 5. Those are my digits. 1, 2, 5 makes 125. Excellent. Next one. What are my digits?
207.
So what number goes first?
3.
Yeah, next number.
0.
Nice.
And 7.
Nice. Got that one. Excellent. This one?
630.
600. So my first number is?
613.
You're right.
13.
1 and a 3. And what about the last one?
986.
There we go. So what's my first number?
9.
Next one.
8. And 6.
8 and 6. You are right.
And 6.
Okay. Now, when we do it this way, this is what you're going to see on the test, okay?
200.
Hold on. Wait. Let's look over here first.
40.
All right. Well, I'm going to show you.
240.
It is. Hold on. Before we write our words.
Yes.
Hold on. This is what it's going to look like in a test. Let's say the number is 543. You're going to have 3 choices. Is it going to be this one? Which I'll put A. Let's put an A here. I can't remember if I use numbers or letters. And A. Is it B?
B.
Or C?
C.
Or C? Which answer is correct? This is how it's going to look like on the test.
C.
Okay.
C.
Is it A, B, or C? What does everybody say?
C.
Who says C? Who thinks C? Put your thumbs up. Who thinks B? Who thinks A? You're right. It is C. Good job, all of you. Nice. This is the correct answer. 543. All right. So I wanted to show, I don't want to write all the words here because we just did that, but this is what it's going to look like in the test. You're going to give a number and they'll have 1, 2, 3 choices and you pick the right one, okay? All right. So we all know these. We can read these, but we've done these in our book a lot. So that's how the test is going to look. You don't have to write anything. You get to pick one. All right. Here we go. Next one. These ones are pretty simple. In the first one, which one is the smallest? What number is the smallest in A? Is it 123, 321, or 132?
123.
That is the smallest number. You're right. Smallest can mean lowest. Out of these number, which one's the smallest?
415.
Excellent. Now here we're looking for the greatest. Be careful of this one. They were sneaky. Which number is the greatest?
254.
Oh, wait, down here. Down here in this one.
124.
Okay, we got a number 154, 124, and 118. Which one is the greatest?
Which one is it?
100 and
It's tricky, isn't it? This is the right answer, but look at this box. It looks bigger, but it's not. Okay. Out of these ones, which greatest?
613.
Right, okay. Greatest means highest,
30.
and smallest means lowest, okay? But this one's a little tricky. Look at that. They put a big box and put a lower number. Ooh, they're sneaky. They are sneaky. All right, let's keep going. These ones, again, you range in order. So we've got a balloon with a 57, a balloon with a 53, and a balloon with a 54. So which we have, make sure you read. So this is arrange the numbers in order. Start with smallest. Okay, so we want the smallest one. What's my smallest number?
53.
53. Excellent. What is my next?
54.
54.
57.
57 would be the greatest. Good. Make sure when you do these, look for this word here, okay?
Yes.
It might say smaller or greater. All right, let's look at this one. Well, this one's smaller again. So, which one's smallest?
88.
88. Which one's next?
88.
Oh, wait. I put that in the wrong place. Sorry, that goes here. Which one's next?
89.
89. That's next. 98. Good. Nice. Now this one, careful in this one. Arrange the numbers in order, starting with the greatest. So I need the big number first. What is it?
39.
There you go. Nice. Then the next
33.
33, and the smallest.
31.
Perfect. And this one, remember we're doing still greatest. So let's do that one. 66 is the greatest. Means the highest then.
And 60.
60. And then
50.
50. 56. All right. So make sure you look for the word. Is it smallest or greatest you start with? Okay. All right. And this one, oh no, we had one more, didn't we? Okay. So this one was like that, smallest and greatest. So we already did this. So let's go to this one. We can come back, but I want to make sure there's a lot of things on this page.
21.
All right, here we go. One more than 24. What is that? Now we're using the words more and less. So we want one more than 24. What number is that?
75.
Right. 25. This one says,
79.
hold on.
79.
This one says one less than 30. What is it?
29.
29. How about two more? 51. And what about two less than 57?
55.
Nice. You guys are getting this. Good.
55.
And more than 80?
90.
Right. Oh, you guys know your numbers. All right, so let's have a look at this. These are complete patterns. So we have 26, 27, 28, 29. What goes there?
30.
Okay, 30. And after 30?
31.
You're right. So this pattern is actually,
31.
you don't need to know this, but this pattern, we add 1. 26 plus 1, 27 plus 1, 28. How about this one? 62, 61.
59.
You're right. And beside 59? 58. Okay, that one we go down by 1. All right, so I'll put a little box here. This pattern is plus 1, and this pattern is minus 1. All right, is a minus 1. Okay, how about this one? Hold on, I think I can zoom in a little more.
70.
Hold on. How's everybody doing? Okay, are we following? Yes?
31.
Okay, let's go to that one then. Here we go. So what comes next? 71, 71, 73, 75.
77.
You're right. We're going up by 2. 78, 70,
7.
79, and then 80, 81, 82, 83. We're going up by 2 each time. This one is plus 2. All right, let's see this one. Oh, we can see the pattern here. This pattern is minus 2. So what are my numbers? 80,
72.
78,
78, 76, 74, 72.
72, and then
It's a 70.
7. You have 70. What comes below 70?
81. 60. 80.
60 what?
31. 68.
You are right. You are right. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little clue up here, okay? If you get something like this that goes 20, 25, 30, well, this one's pretty easy. What number would go right in here?
35.
35. Okay? Now this, I'm going to give you a little clue, okay? Because maybe you look at the numbers. We count up. We don't usually count down. So if we have a number of 34, 31, 28, and you're sitting there, I don't know what it is because you're counting down. So do this. Don't count down, count up. What's this number? What number is this?
16.
And what number is this?
19.
So let's count. We got 16, 17, 18.
19.
You're right. So this pattern is plus 3, right? We're going up, oops, sorry. Going up 3 every time. So this pattern, this, it's not working. This pattern is plus 3. Okay, so if you can't count down, count up. So what would be in the blank space? What number goes in that blank space? You can count down.
22.
Well, let's count it, right? We need to go plus 3, so let's count. 19, we know. 19, 20, 21.
22.
You are right. Okay, so if you're having a hard time counting down, you can count up. That is a good secret for doing this, okay? If you're having a hard time counting down, just switch and count up instead, okay? So the answer here, you are right, is 22. Okay, so that's a little trick to help you. All right, so if you have a hard time counting backwards, you can count up instead, okay? Look to the lowest number and count up. So that's a little sneaky trick, okay? Because I know some of you are looking at these numbers going, oh, 30, 34, 33, 30, no, 32. It's a little harder to count down, okay? Now, if there is no start here, well, then you got to count down, all right? So let's have a look here. So what is my next number here? We're counting down. So you can either start with 30 and go up, or start with 90 and go down. Which one do you want to do? Try and figure it out. Okay. Now this is a little easier.
50.
So which one goes here?
40. Wait, no, 50.
50 goes there because we're counting down.
Let it go.
Okay. And oops, and this one.
40.
Right.
40.
Okay. So again with these, you could have started with 30 and move up. Okay. So in here, you will get an answer like, the question will be, let's get this back out, okay? I'll put some lines under here. The question, oh, let's move these up out of the way. The question will be, fill in the blank. So the question will be like this. Fill in the blank with the correct number.
I offline.
Okay, that's what the question will be like, okay? Oops, I'm gonna smooth this over. And then you'll be given choices. So more than likely, if I gave you that, oops, come on, get over there. All right, with the correct number. All right, and you'll be given 3 choices. So here we got a 1. I'll probably put an A for this. It could be a 1 or A, I can't remember. A. Would that number be, oh, actually, there is no A, B, or C for this. So is that number 20? I'll have a choice, 24, 23. How have we done this? 23, 22, or 21. All right? Oops, 21. And you need to tick the right one, okay? So that's what the question is going to look like. Fill in the, oh, this should go up here first, sorry. It's going to be like this. Fill in the blank with the correct number. All right, and you're going to have a space, and you'll be giving a choice between 23, oops, 22, sorry. There you go. It'll be 23, 22, or 21, and you just push the right number, okay? But as I said, you can go from 16 and up or 34 and down, whichever is easiest for you, okay? All right, so those are all the pages I want to show you right now. Okay, most of the stuff in our math book, in our little math test is this. All right, so this is what your questions will look like. All right, you're not going to have this question, but you'll have something like it. Okay? Fill in the blank with the correct number, 34, and you have a little space, and you'll be given a choice between 1, 2, or 3. Okay? All right. That all make sense to everybody? Okay? Everybody's okay? Any questions?
I'm okay.
Good.
I'm okay.
You okay?
Okay.
I am ready. I am
If you have a
ready.
question, let me know, because I will start the test soon.
Okay.
All right, I'll do what I did before. You will go on to Google Classroom. I will put this on Google Classroom, and you got 30 minutes to finish. All right, and you will finish this. Okay, and I'm going to load it on Google Classroom just to make sure it's up before I sign off. All right, so let me do this. I had a problem with this before. All right, math quiz. Here we go. Okay, I think I pressed the submit button. Yes. This should be, oops. Want to make sure I get this right. Oh, okay, I see what I did wrong. Okay, my boo-boo. My boo-boo. Let's go back. All right, let me call that back up. Let me get this back up. Sorry, I'll bring this back all back up for you, okay? Google Classroom 2. Sorry about that. I want to make sure I get it up correctly, because I haven't posted it yet. There we go. Math. There it is. Okay, here we go. I want to make sure everything's there. It should all be there. All right, so I pressed the sign. All right. It should be loading up right now. All right, so have a look at your Google Classroom.
Do you say Google Classroom or Google Classroom?
Google Classroom. It should be up there now.
Classroom. Okay.
Does everybody see it?
Yes, I think it's Google Classroom. I
Go
don't
to
see
Google Classroom. Go to math, and you'll see this math mini test, okay? Does everybody see it?
Okay.
If you see it?
I don't see it. I cannot see.
It's not there yet?
It's not there.
Okay, let me make sure I get that right.
Teacher, I go to bathroom.
Okay, you go to the bathroom.
Oh, no.
Let's make sure it's right. I think there was a little mistake when I assigned. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. It should, I think, be out. Let's try. All right. Where's the math test there? Do you see it?
Yeah.
You guys see the math test yet?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. If you see it, you can exit this. You can exit and go into Google Classroom, okay? If you have any questions, you can email me. You can send a message. Everybody's okay, right? Do you have it, Eva? Okay, good. You can start. Everybody else, Fiboon, do you have it? Good. Poke, do you have it? Do you have the test, Poke?
Classroom.
Who, do you have the test? Lynn, do you have the test? Can you see it?
Teacher.
Yeah. Anand, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. If you can see it, you can sign out of this one, okay? So Eva, if you see it, you can sign out. Nate, can you see it? Can you see it, Nate?